Technology plays an important role in every sphere of life. Technology affects the way individuals communicate, learn, and think. It helps society and determines how people interact with each other on a daily basis. Technology plays an important role in society today. It has positive and negative effects on the world. We are living in an era where technological advances are common. Technology is very helpful and useful in education, government, business, transportation, and also in farming.
In education, technology used to support both teaching and learning. Technology infuses classrooms with digital learning tools such as computers and health devices, expand course offerings, experience and learning materials, support learning 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, build 21st century skills, increases students' engagement and motivation, and accelerates learning. Technology also has the power to transform teaching by ushering in a new model of connected teaching. This model links teachers to their students and to professional content resources and systems to help them improve their own instruction and personalized learning.
Online learning opportunities and the use of open educational resources and other technologies can increase educational productivity by accelerating the rate of learning, reducing costs associated with instructional materials or program delivery, and better utilizing teacher time.
The impact of technology in government. The government is able to put a wealth of information for the public to use without having to leave their home. Public services can now reach every location that has internet access. The internet allows the government to be more efficient and reduce costs of operation.
In business, technology is growing necessity as the years go by. The business world is learning more and more toward it. The role of technology in business caused a tremendous growth in trade and commerce. Technology gave a new and a better approach on how to go about with business. It provided a faster, more convenient, and more efficient way of performing business transactions. Some of actions of technology in business include accounting systems, management information systems, point-of-sale systems, and other simpler or more complicated tools.
Technology in business made it possible to have a wider reach in the global market. The basic example is the internet, which is now common marketing tool to attract more consumers in availing products and services offered by various businesses. Indeed, technology in business ultimately make living worthwhile.
In transportation, new technologies are transforming the way we plan, design, build, and operate transportation systems. Transport agencies use them to count traffic, detect process, manage transit, operation, and traffic signal systems. Travelers depend on traffic conditions reports, electronic maps, onboard vehicle performance monitors, real-time transit arrival information, and a host of other sources that did not exist generations ago.
Farming is the great way to describe the lifestyle and work of people whose jobs are in the agriculture industry. People often have a romantic idea of what farming is like: growing, farmers driving tractors, and milking goods. Although farming can be very hard work dependent on food prices and weather, the noun form originally
environmentalists on farmland, and it comes from the medieval Latin term. It's the source of our food supply. Arguably, the most important aspect of agriculture is that it's the source of the world supply.
Today's agriculture routinely uses sophisticated technologies such as robots, temperature and moisture sensors, aerial images, and GPS technology. These advanced devices and precision agriculture and robotic systems allow businesses to be more profitable, efficient, safer, and more environmentally friendly. Benefits include higher crop productivity, decreased use of water, fertilizer, and pesticides, which in turn keeps food prices down, less runoff of chemicals into rivers and groundwater, increased worker safety. In addition, robotic technologies enable more reliable monitoring and management of natural resources such as air and water quality. It also gives producers greater control over plant and animals production, processing, distribution, and storage, which results in greater efficiencies and lower prices, safer growing conditions, and safer foods, reduce environmental and ecological impact. Modern agriculture is driven by continuous improvements in digital tools and data, as well as collaborations among farmers and researchers across the public and private sectors.